Hi, my name is Tyler Moore, and I've been making websites for over 20 years.
Hi, my name is Emmanuel. I run iCreateYourSite.com, where we've made over 1,000 websites. And if you're watching this video, you're probably interested in how to make a website with AI. And there's a ton of different AI tools. Some are really good, but really complicated. Some have some features, and some are missing features. And it can be a little bit complicated to get them to work together. So me and Tyler were talking about, wouldn't it be great if when you set up your domain and hosting, the AI tool was just built in and you didn't have to go anywhere else and it could all just work together. And Tyler found a really great solution for that.
Yeah, so it's sometimes really difficult to get your domain name to work with the website and for all of it to connect together. So, yeah, we're testing out Hostinger Horizons. And what are the features of Hostinger Horizons?
Yeah, one of the things that we discovered that I think is really cool. Number one, it doesn't just rely on one AI. It actually has multiple AI tools, and it works with all of them to give you the best outcome. So instead of you having to go and subscribe to ChatGPT and subscribe to Claude and kind of figure out how to make them all work, they've kind of done that all behind the scenes. So when you ask for something on the website, it just pulls the AIs together and builds it for you. And not only can it make a website, but it can also build an app and build widgets and make your pretty much do anything you need the website to do.
Right. So it has so here are the different apps. It has this invoice generator right here that we can preview. And it has this logo maker that we can preview. It has different websites. It has a restaurant. It has, all these different things that you can integrate. I think you can also integrate payment options. We haven't done that yet. Today, I just want to make a simple website. And how do we do that? How do we make the simple website for people to see a demo?
Yeah, so when you set up a website, especially if you're setting it up for the first time, or if you're an agency and you want to set it up for your customers, you're going to need a domain and you're going to need hosting. And we actually have a discount code that you guys can use if you guys want to follow along, and that's hostinger.com/unlock.
Yeah.
So when you go to that page, it'll look just like this. How Tyler's pulling it up here.
Yeah, so this is the coupon code. This gets you 10% off, I believe, and it is our coupon code. So once you go here, you can easily sign up, and then you can also get your free domain name with it, and then it all connects together with the AI. So it's probably the simplest way, or we're going to see if it's the simplest way to make a website. So we just have to click on Start Now, and then we have these different plans here, and for this, it says vibe coding credits, and this means that we get basically 5 prompts. So this is the cheapest one. This one, we can get more and more and more by getting a different account, a Horizons account. But for the basic plan, just to try out, I would recommend just getting this right here. So we can choose plan.
Yeah. And we're going to help you guys understand how it works so that you can make the most out of those 5 prompts. And, if you need a little bit more, it's not super expensive. But in our experience, once you follow along with the video, you'll get a pretty good website on within just 1 or 2 prompts.
Right. So I like to go with the 12-month plan because that's what gives you your free domain name. Going with 1 month and then buying a domain is just as expensive, or if not more expensive. And then we can put in unlock and apply this coupon.
Yeah, and it's amazing how just for $5 a month, basically, is what it comes out to. You can have either your own business website ready to go, or if you want to resell it to a customer, just for $50, it's a really great deal.
Yeah. So once you do that, you're going to be transported into the website right here. So you'll be transported into this right here. And that's when you can click on Horizons. And then once you click on Horizons, I have this little demo right here. Let's see it work.
So it might look a little bit different when you pull it up. You'll probably
There
see a
it is.
screen kind of like
Yeah.
this with the
Yeah,
Get
you're going to
Started
see
button on it.
exactly. So then all you have to do is press Get Started for Horizons, and we're going to test to see if this works and is really good. So I think I'm making, let's say, I want to make a web development business. So I can make a homepage. And I like to just start off with the homepage. Sometimes it'll make all of the pages at once. And that's not good because sometimes you don't like the design of that. So I'm just going to put in this web design business right here. And I only want to make the homepage, maybe even the hero section in the top. What do you think about that? Should it only make
Yeah,
the hero text section in the top?
I like doing it that way because what I notice is the bigger the project is, the longer it takes for the AI to build it all out. So
Yeah.
you don't want it to spend a ton of time building out an entire website that you need to change the design and the colors and the fonts off. So it's much easier to work on a little section, get it to look just right, and then tell the AI, okay, I like how this looks, I like the font, I like the colors. Now let's build the rest of the website with this kind of a template that we've already made ourselves.
Right. So here I'm just, it asked me a bunch of questions, and I'm just saying I want it to be called Website Bros, and I want it to have these different things in it. I probably added too many things, but now it's just going to go ahead and make the website. And sometimes this takes a few minutes. Um, but yeah, we just wait for the website to be made, and there it is. What do you think about this website?
Yeah, so it looks like a pretty basic website, but when you think about it, you did it in 60 seconds, right? Like even a website like this, a tutorial for a website like this, like the one you made in 2015, this is like a 3-hour website build.
Yeah, at
If
least.
yeah, if with WordPress, if you're doing it, if you're coding it, it's even longer.
Yeah. But
So
I
it's
think we
pretty
can
good.
make it better. I think we can
Yeah,
make it
we
better.
can make it totally
It's
make it way
like
better.
whatever. I said the design's a little dull and plain, because it is. I just want it to be better. So
Yeah,
how can we make this better? And I just
and it's
told it, yeah, it's dull and plain, and I want it to look better. And
yeah,
I obviously I could have prompted it better. I could have, went to Google and like showed it an example. I take a picture and of something that we really like, and it will be very good at copying that style.
yeah, and but it's great that even if your prompt is very simple,
Yeah.
it still works. So it's you can talk to it in plain language. You can just say, "Hey, the vibes are off," and it will be like, "Okay, I got you." Jazz it
Yeah.
up, and it will understand what you mean, and it will make the website better. So Tyler just wrote the like, "Hey, it looks boring," and we'll see what the AI put together here.
All right. So no, that's not it. Okay, so here it is right here. Let's open it up. Let's see it. And this looks much, much, much better. I really like this. This isn't exactly my style, but I like it so much better. I mean, it's obviously so much better. It's not as boring. But what do you think?
Yeah, and this was just two prompts, right? You could sit with it here and add your own images, upload your logo. You can go section by section and ask it exactly how you want yours to look. And you could really make any kind of website you want.
Right. And up here, you can edit the content. So I just clicked on edit content. And before, it would be hard, like in some website builders, it's hard to do it because it's pure AI. So you can't just like change everything. But right here, I can easily say, oh, change this to get started. And then it changes to get started. Instead of having to prompt it and wait, a minute for it, we can just click on things and change them, which is pretty cool, I think.
Yeah, it's even easier. You don't have to write, hey, the rainbow button on the top right-hand corner. I need that one to say this instead. You can just click on the button and edit it. So it's the best of both worlds. You can generate the website really quickly. And then if you want to edit specific things, you can just click and edit it right there.
Yep. But maybe we want to connect this to our actual website. If we went to the preview and we saw that it was just like a preview URL, how do you connect it to your actual website? And it's very easy. If you don't have a domain name yet, it'll just prompt you for what your name is, and you just type it in. So that's really easy. But what we can do is we can. Oh, sorry. I went for too much. Okay. What we can do is we can publish this. So we click on publish right here in the top right. And once it's published, we just got to wait a little while for that.
And now this is pushing all the code up to like an actual live website, where
Mm-hmm.
like people can actually start visiting your business. So within a couple of minutes, you have a real business website up for anybody to see.
And then you just click on custom, connect a custom domain, and then you can type in your domain right here. I have to figure out what my domain is. I can't remember. So there it is, makingyoursite.com. It's already connected because I bought it through Hostinger. And then it's going to tell me it's going to delete my emails, which I don't have any emails from there. So that's not a big deal. So I'm just going to confirm that. And now it's going to connect my domain name with the website. So I can go to my website right here, and bam, we are online, which is insane that it
That
would
is
be
so
that easy.
awesome. Yeah, I every time I see this, it's like I remember like the painstaking like 2 weeks it took me to
Yeah,
build
for
the first
sure.
website that I made.
Connecting
And
the
it was like
SSL and connecting all the
yes,
things, loading WordPress into the. I mean, you used to have to do it
yes.
by code and like manually connect the database up. I don't know if you remember that. Did you do that?
I never had to
Oh
suffer that
man,
much.
that's a lot of suffering.
Yeah, but it was it's so easy now. So, if you need a website for your small business, it's so easy now. Uh you can just build it with AI so easily.
Exactly. So let's say I want a different website. I don't want to be a website bro anymore. I want to take pictures and do photography. So down here, I'm saying actually, I'm making a photography business, and I'm saying to make it a light theme. And let's see what happens. And I said just only do the header and the hero. So the header is like the top where the navigation is, and the hero is like right under that main image. And that's all I would start with at first because it's so much quicker. Then you can get the feel right, and then build everything else after that.
Yeah. And it's incredible that you don't have to like set up a separate website. Like you can just change your mind mid build, which would be very difficult in the past,
Yeah,
and say, "Hey, you know what? This business idea didn't work out how I thought. I still want to keep using the same company name, but you know what? My business is going to be different now." And you can just keep using your website and change the design really easily.
right. So we have it right here. It's still in preview because we haven't published it yet, and it looks really good. It looks a little squished. That button on the top right is definitely not right. So we just go back and we tell the AI to fix it. But I don't know. It's looking pretty good to me.
Yeah. So how does it fix it?
So let's see. I says everything's looking good. A little squished, and the booking section text is white. And let's see what it does. Submit those changes.
Okay, it's thinking. Let's see.
All right, now we have it. And my screen is small, so sorry guys. I'm trying to record, so it looks big on your phone. But let's open this up right here, and we can see that this is looking pretty nice. It gives a little fade, so I don't know if you can see it, but
Yeah.
as you
It it
scroll,
it,
it
it fixed
fades.
it. It fixed it and like it made it better too.
Yeah, because I said everything looks squished, and I want more room and for it to feel more like
Mm,
airy.
it made it airy,
And
yeah.
then you publish it. I don't know if you saw that. Let's do that again.
Yeah.
You publish it, and that's it. You just publish your changes. It's like a miracle.
Yeah.
And then we can go back to the real website. Hold on one second. There it is. Let's 1 second.
It's publishing.
It is publishing. Okay, not published yet. There it goes. And now we can go to our website and refresh, and bam, now we're a photographer, just like that.
Yeah. And if you could pause it here for a moment, I just want to go through like how complicated because we just see it and it's nice but this is like okay, to get this normally you'd need to pay for a WordPress. You'd have to set up a WordPress install. You'd need to buy a premium theme or buy a premium plugin like Elementor Pro that lets you edit the header. Then you probably need another plugin to get the fade animations because those are not those. Elementor has some animations, but they're not. That doesn't have a fade animation like that into white. Or you'd need to like learn CSS to do it yourself.
Find the images,
Find the images,
connect the domain
uh,
name.
connect the domain name, upload the images, set them up so they're just right, set up the animations, figure out the fonts because like it figured out like photography related fonts for you.
So
Like it
good.
looks good. It figured out the colors for you. And here's the thing, where it says book a session, you don't need to go and buy a booking plugin. Like,
Right.
hey,
You
the
just tell it.
Horizon's just yeah, let's set up a booking plugin. And by the way, if you want to charge for the booking, I think you can just tell it, and it will just like ask you for like, okay, what payment service you want to use? You connect your
Exactly.
PayPal
And that's what
account
I
or your
want to
Stripe.
try next. I want to try all the e-commerce stuff and all the,
Yeah,
all the booking stuff. I think you can make incredible things.
yeah, and it's so much easier. So if you've had an idea to start a business, and one of the roadblocks was like setting up a website is kind of complicated. For I feel like $50 instead of buying business cards that nobody uses anymore, because that's what it's going to cost you to print out some business card. It's so much better to invest that into a website, and this website will show up on Google. It'll actually rank for keywords. You can probably ask the AI to like, hey, help me with the SEO, and this is where my city is, and what keywords should I use, and it will just research for you, and it will just update your content to make it like super SEO friendly, and it's it goes so much further into like helping your business than like printing out 100 business cards.
Yeah. I did that one time actually. I put up a whole bunch of flyers out, and I got one person. I think he did 1,000 flyers. It was like very local. It was like, this is your fitness trainer. It was like very good flyer. One person came to the website and tracked it. If you spent
Wow.
like that much money on I don't know, ads or like local SEO, or put that much effort into a website, you would have got like thousands of people. It was so bad.
Yeah, I did something even crazier. Like when I was starting my business, I printed out like 100. It wasn't even 100 flyers. I printed out. I went to CVS and I made a graphic of like my business, and I printed out 100 photos because it was cheaper than printing out a flyer. So it's just 100. It's just 100 photos of a flyer. Um,
I like
but I mean,
that.
it was just thinner, but whatever. And then I went at night. So I went like at 11 p.m. I had like a list of like 20 businesses that are like, okay, these businesses, I know they don't have a website. And I just left it taped to their door. Zero
Zero.
contact from it. Not a good strategy. Not a good strategy at all.
So learn from our failures. Just make a
Yes.
website.
Just make a website.
All right. Is there anything else?
Yeah, so it's super easy. Oh, I did want to shout out two websites that they used our tool in the last video, and I
Oh,
want to
cool.
show you. I want to show you those two websites. I don't know if you have the links already. If not, I can send them to you.
1 second. Yeah, let me get them.
Yeah, so these
Mm-mm.
are two other real businesses that they used an AI website builder just like we did today, and they made their own website. So we want to congratulate them on having the website created and show you guys the websites they made, just so that you can see that it's super easy and that any business can put together a website really easily.
Yep, you text me a lot of things since then.
Yeah.
I'm just scrolling, trying to find it.
Uh,
Maybe you can send it to me again, or if you know what
yeah.
they are,
Let me
that would be great.
find that for you.
Okay, I got one.
Do
I got him. I got
you
him.
got oh
I
you
got
got
him.
them? Okay,
I got.
beautiful.
I got him. Pasting. All right, this is one of them from the last video, which I think is very, very beautiful.
Yeah, so this is like a medical clinic website. This is like obviously not a person who's a developer, and this is such a nice website. Even if you didn't know how to put a website together.
Really nice, really nice. And then this is the second one,
Yeah.
which looks really good.
So
Really
really
cool.
cool. So
They even got
regardless
their
of
logo in there. The logo looks really
yeah,
nice.
that's awesome. So no matter what kind of business you have, if a doctor or I think they do garage doors, you don't have to be a technical person. Just work with the AI, and it's going to create a really awesome website for you.
Cool. All right. Thank you very much. Remember to use our coupon code hostinger.com/unlock. It's in the description. We really appreciate that. And it's who we use. We're not just pushing this random stuff on you guys. So it's who we use. And yeah, we really appreciate it.
Thank you guys so much for watching. See ya.
See ya.